If you're new to the tool, it may take a few tries to get the feel for loading the clip strip. With a little practice, most users are loading clips in a single, fluid motion within minutes. Tips and tricks. Loading the chain tool. Glide past the pinch point. If you're finding it tricky to slide in the clip strip, don't worry. The retaining lip has a pinch point designed to hold the strip securely. To get the strip past this point and overcome any jamming, apply light inward pressure as you feed in the clip strip. Pushing the clips towards the center of the tool helps it glide past the pinch point. Tip 2. Angle the strip for smooth loading. A simple way to guide the clip strip in smoothly is to angle it slightly as you insert it. This technique helps the clips load perfectly without snagging. Use your index finger and palm to guide the strip, giving both control and gentle pressure so it feeds evenly at the entry point throughout the loading motion. Tip 3. Still sticking? Check for protruding screws. If the strip still jams, check underneath for any protruding screw tips. Although rare, these can snag the strip during loading. Run your finger along the underside of the clip strip to feel for anything sticking out. If it's smooth, you're good to go. Tips and tricks. Using chain tool in installation and fastening. Tip 1. Ensure clips snap in firmly. If a clip rotates after snapping off, it means it's not fitted correctly. Make sure the clip is pressed firmly against the board during installation, that the current board is fully clipped into the previous row, and that the screw is completely driven. This simple check ensures every clip stays secure. Tip 2. Secure clips with a clean brake. If the collation strip isn't braking cleanly, first check that the clip is seated firmly in the board's groove. Drive the screw until the bit's stop-out collar rotates freely against the stop-out plate. After fastening, pivot the tool away from the board. Be sure not to pull it straight out. This pivot action ensures a clean brake and confirms the clip is fully secure. General tips and tricks for using chain tool. Pro tip: file the retaining lip for smooth loading. For enhanced ease and smoother loading, you can slightly round the sharp starting edge of the retaining lip on a new tool with a small file. While this naturally happens over time, filing it before first use makes loading easier from day one, although some hand tools may already come with rounded edges. Tip: keep spares handy. On sites with multiple installers, remember each installer with a cordless driver could have their own hand tool. The provided Torx bits are consumable and will wear, especially on hard framing materials like steel. Having spares ready helps the team work efficiently. Tip: how to select the correct spacers. To select the correct spacer, simply measure the groove height on your decking board and match it to the number on the spacers provided. If you're between sizes, use the next size up and sand it down for a perfect custom fit. If you lose a spacer, spare sets of spacers are available for purchase without having to buy a new tool.